Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the simplest system controls so you don't chase phantom problems. First, open power settings and set the display brightness slider to 50% or higher. This rules out power saver limits. Next, press the Lenovo brightness keys. Use FN plus the marked F key or the dedicated icons to see if the OSD responds. Also check if you're on a dock or external monitor that overrides laptop controls. Once done, you'll know whether to escalate into driver and firmware fixes. Now you move into software and firmware where most persistent brightness faults hide. Open Device Manager, update the Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA display driver, and if update fails, try a clean reinstall or roll back to the prior version. This fixes regressions. Then check the monitor and Microsoft Basic display adapter entries and reinstall if corrupted. Make sure Lenovo Vantage is updated, and inspect BIOS/UEFI for display or adaptive brightness options. Finally, perform advanced remediation when drivers and firmware didn't help. Turn off adaptive and ambient brightness in Windows settings, and, if necessary, change the registry key for adaptive brightness to 0, only if comfortable editing registry, because sensor calibration can auto-dim unexpectedly. If unresolved, reset BIOS to defaults and boot a live USB Linux or Windows PE to test whether brightness control works outside your install. This separates hardware from OS issues. If problems persist, keep one troubleshooting tip. Create a driver backup and record working settings to restore quickly after repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.